Tracking endangered species. There are so many species likely to become extinct. Our future generations may not be able to see them on our wonderful planet, Earth. Let's see some of them. The Siberian tigers and loggerhead sea turtles. How do we know they are endangered? We don't find them often. Only few people get to see them in the wild. Then how do we know how many are there to determine whether or not they are endangered? We need to count and track them. Let's see how species can be tracked. Species tracking methods. Take an example of a galaxy. The whole galaxy has billions of stars in it. When Hubble Space Telescope takes pictures of a portion of the galaxy, that itself will have millions to billions of stars in the frame. Like Hubble may take several thousands to millions of pictures of the same galaxy at various zoom levels and rotations. For this, in 1986, physics professor Edward J. Groth invented a pattern matching algorithm that addressed the challenge. The Groth algorithm forms triangles between every possible triplet of stars in an image. Then it compares the triangle's measurements to those in other images, determining any matches. This is possible because certain properties of a triangle, like angles, do not change. The same technique has been used to track whale sharks. Because they have spots like stars in space, which are unique to every whale shark. The variation of the algorithm is also being used to track polar bears. I came up with a new device, AD 2015, that scans the environment and detects any dangerous animals or endangered species. It uses Groth algorithm to identify the species and alert the person wearing it. Hope you like it and use it. Thank you for watching.